Warmest greetings. I hope you're all in fine fettle. The rhythm of nature can be felt in multiple ways. The days get longer and warmer, inviting the trees and birds and insects to respond. And with our senses, we witness the smells, sounds and colours as they merge in harmonious union. We connect to the living earth through the fluctuating pulse we call Schumann Resonance. And recent spikes have shown clearly that this affects our moods and thinking. There's plenty of info out there to help us to understand what's going on. Although we come equipped with chakras, our own inbuilt electromagnetic sensors that allow us to utilize the incoming energies. Perception of these natural rhythms is very helpful. Many of us pick up on collective consciousness and are profoundly aware of group fear, doubt and confusion. Because how we're feeling is generated back to the group, there's a responsibility to transmute the vibration into one of peace and love. And healing prayers and affirmations and meditations are good for this. My deep respect goes to all empathic warriors. I understand the courage it takes to walk this difficult path to serve humanity, yet remain full of grace. For those of you experiencing Ascension symptoms and having days where you feel alone, lost, mad, bad or whatever, it's quite likely that you too are an empath and your abilities are activating. Empaths have access to unlimited knowledge. So take a moment to listen with your heart to the rhythm of nature and hear the message it brings. Until next time. Love and blessings to you all.